Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay, and Ringke was kind enough to send over a couple of their cases for the smaller variant. I still have a dummy unit for the smaller variant, but the Galaxy Note 10 Plus I will have later this month. But I want to go ahead and push out a couple of these videos on these, since I don't ever plan on getting the smaller variant, but I still want to show you these cases. And like always, if I'm not going to actually use it, I'm going to leave this on just in case I do a giveaway, which I probably will. So let's start with this one here. Now, you know, I've ordered the bigger one, but the smaller one, man, it is actually a really good size. I did play with it in Best Buy for a little while. I stayed in there for quite a bit of time and play with it. But, man, this is actually a really good size device. Anyway, this is the case here. You got a little bit of branding like you always do here from Ringke. You got your lanyard, volume and power. All the cutouts and ports and everything down there for the S Pen speaker, Type-C microphone. And on the top, you've got the outlet for the speaker, and you've got the microphone cutout right there. And then on the back here, obviously, you got the cutouts for your cameras and LED flash. Very nice. This is one of their more popular cases, and this one is too, the Onyx and the Fusion. But let's put the Fusion aside. Let's pop on the Onyx, because the Onyx is a case that tons of people actually buy. I was buying this long before they were sending it to me for review. But again, you just want to make sure your cutouts and ports, everything are open there for your cell phone to operate properly. All the cutouts and ports and everything is there. Volume, rock, and power. And then, wow, I'm kind of second guessing myself on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. This is a very good size device, man. Wow. Not that the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is a big phone, but this is just feels really, really good, man. It feels great. Anyway, here it is, the Fusion, and then also the Onyx, two of the most popular cases here from Ringke. And so, look for maybe a giveaway on Twitter. Who knows? If not, I'll definitely come back and just throw these out on YouTube at some point or another, because I don't want to waste product, right? We want to make sure we get these into the hands of somebody who's actually going to use them. It's your man Jay, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.